How's it going, YouTube? Just broke my Kickstarter here. Just this little linkage that goes between the case and the actual kick starter part. This is from a CRF450R Honda. Thought I'd make a little video on how to change it. It'll only take like 5 minutes. All you're gonna need is the old part, the new part, screwdriver, doesn't have to be a drill, little magnet can help, some stuff to clean some stuff up with, just a little bit of grease. Very simple. You can just take this. Anyway, you're just going to unscrew that. This is one place the magnet seems to help. You don't have to have a magnet, you can tap it out, but the magnet seems to pull it out a little better. There's this little detent ball. This is actually what keeps your Kickstarter neatly up next to your motor. I found that a magnet will just pull it out. There's also a spring in there. And then there's that spring. Take your ball, take your spring. It's white lithium grease, good stuff. Just put a little bit in there, you don't need tons. Put that spring back in there. Again, some grease, and the grease will actually help hold the spring in there while you're working with it. Clean off that little detent ball, and that grease will just hold it in there. And you can even turn it upside down. There's also this little seal. Clean them up a bit. Dirt bikes tend to get a lot of garbage in them, right? So you're going to take this. The grease will help hold it where it's at. Now you're getting ready to put this bad boy back together. This little relief cut is actually what holds the whole thing together. While it's inside the Kickstarter, it's going to look like that. It's going to go like so. Line up the detent pin with the detent. Clicks in. Once you've got that, go ahead, put your screw back in. Take a 10mm socket. This guy right here. Just unscrew that. My neighbor has an R6. I'm super jealous. Is that an R1? That's an R1. I'm even more jealous. Yeah. Anyway, what you're gonna do is put that on there like that. You want to make sure that lines up. $10mm bolt, and washer combination. This doesn't have to be crazy tight. It's the spline that actually takes all the stress while you're kicking it. Oops. Like I said, not crazy tight, and there you go. There's that R1. Oh, I haven't got a name for my bike yet. I need to name it. My friend Helimoto just told me that that's why it was acting up on me. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I will work on the next video. We'll see you later.